So it's that time of year. The hyacinths are out. These are my favorite scented flowers as well as lilacs. So when I saw them potted up and for sale over at Trader Joe's, I had to grab some. I also grabbed one in the glass vase. But look at it. Look at it. It is so top heavy that I have my wine glass holding it up. So anyway, this is a future project. What I'm going to do is I got a big pot out in the back on my balcony, and I'm going to pot these bulbs up when they're all done blooming and then plant some annuals over top. I'm going to leave them out and see if they bloom next winter, or next spring I should say, right? Anyway, we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you updated. Hello everyone. I thought I would take a moment to introduce myself, and for some of the newer subscribers out there, if this is the first time you're watching my channel, my name's Kristen. I live in the Nashville area. I started my gardening channel last year in August. As you'll see, it's just a small little garden, and this is my diary I decided to make for my friends and my family. I love you, Mom. Love you, Shane. Love you, Sue. Carry on. See you soon. All right, and since I'm out here, I thought I'd show you what's going on over here. So, there are some spots here where I've got some new growth. Those are cone flowers there. Ooh, I lost my breath. I've been running around for a minute. Let's see what else we can find. All of these, those are weeds. Weeds. Just weeds, right? No big deal though, because when we come over here, we could see more cone flowers. And then look, the hostas are coming back. But here's the big news. Look at how the daylilies are growing. They get more sun over here, so they're growing faster than the other side. But oh my God, I'm so happy to see this coming together, guys. So happy. Oh.